Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable automation for follow-ups from LinkedIn step by step clearly. To configure Airtable automation for follow-ups from LinkedIn, start by logging into your Airtable account. Create a new base or open an existing one where you want to manage your LinkedIn follow-ups. In your base, set up a table dedicated to tracking your LinkedIn contacts. Add relevant fields such as name, LinkedIn profile link, follow-up date, and status. Navigate to the Automations tab on the top of the screen. Click on the Create an Automation button to start the process. Choose a trigger for your automation, such as when a record is created or when a date arrives. Select your LinkedIn follow-up table for the trigger. Set up any necessary conditions to refine when this automation should run. Next, add an action to your automation by clicking on Add an Action. Choose Send an Email to send follow-up messages. Fill in the email fields with details from the LinkedIn contact record. For the recipient, use the email address of your choice or, if available, a field in your table. Craft your email subject and body to suit your follow-up needs. You can personalize the email by including fields from your Airtable record. After setting up the email, test the automation to ensure it functions correctly. Once tested, enable the automation by toggling the switch on the top right corner. Review the setup one last time to ensure everything is in place. Now, you're ready to use Airtable automation for seamless follow-ups from LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.